If you are searching for answers about what are keywords, their importance and how to use them in practical, then you have come to the right place. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from an expert team of makblogs. In today's lecture titled What are short tail keywords, their importance and how to use them in practical, we are learning a fundamental aspect of SEO that plays a crucial role in your online success. But before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. Short tail keywords are the building blocks of SEO. They are brief, often one or two word phrases that users enter into search engines to find journal information. Short tail keywords may be short in length, but they are massive in terms of search volume and competition. For example, imagine you operate a travel blog. If you are trying to keep your content more visible by optimizing for the keyword travel destinations, you are dealing with a short tail keyword. Now we have importance of short tail keyword. So why are short tail keywords so crucial in the world of SEO? Let's explore their importance. First we have vast reach. Short tail keywords have the potential to reach a massive audience due to their high search volume. For example, smartphones as a keyword will expose your tech blog to the countless searches interested in smartphones. Got it? Next we have brand visibility. Optimizing for short tail keywords can enhance your brand's visibility. For example, when your website consistently ranks high for popular short tail keywords in your niche, you establish yourself as a recognized authority. Next, we have broad discovery. Short tail keywords are fantastic for introducing users to your content. They are like the entrance door to your website where users can explore further. For example, if you have a fashion blog, a short tail keyword like summer dresses can serve as the welcoming door to your site, inviting visitors to discover your latest fashion trends and tips. Next, we have top of funnel traffic. These keywords capture users at the top of the sales funnel, introducing them to a broad topic. This is particularly valuable if you are looking to raise awareness about your products or services. For example, if you have an online store selling fitness equipment, targeting the short tail keyword like fitness tips can attract individuals who are at the initial stage of their fitness journey, potentially leading them to explore your product offering as they progress. Next, we have content ideas. Analyzing short tail keywords can provide ideas for creating more specific, in-depth content. You can explore subtopics that your audience is interested in. For example, if you run a cooking blog and notice that the short tail keyword like healthy recipes is trending, you can delve into subtopics like low calorie dinner ideas or nutritious breakfast recipes to create comprehensive content catering to your readers' interest. Now that we understand their importance, let's explore practical ways to use short tail keywords effectively. First, we have keyword research. Begin by conducting extensive keyword research to identify the short tail keywords relevant to your content. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs and SEMrush can assist you. Next, we have content optimization. Once you have identified your target short tail keywords, optimize your content around them. Ensure your chosen keywords are seamlessly integrated into your web pages, articles, or blog posts. Next, we have quality content. Always prioritize creating high quality content that offers value to your audience. Quality content coupled with well placed short tail keywords can significantly enhance your SEO efforts. Last, we have monitor and adjust. Keep a watchful eye on your website's performance. Are you ranking well for your chosen short tail keywords? Are they driving the desired traffic? Don't hesitate to adjust your strategy if needed. In conclusion, we can say that short tail keywords are your gateway to a broader audience and brand recognition. By understanding their importance and using them strategically, you can harness their immense power for your online success. In our upcoming lessons, we will explore advanced techniques for short tail keywords research and optimization, giving you an edge in the competitive world of SEO. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining Lecture 13, where we have shed light on short tail keywords, their importance, and practical usage. If you are searching for exceptional digital services, including SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.